recording it. I'm recording it. Wow. Wow. Baby, come. It's not even moving this one.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Let's go closer to her.
Yeah. Let's go closer to her because it's not going.
Go to your big friend.
Look! Look! Oh, look at it.
The keys.
It's not even scared, you know. Wow. So beautiful.
Let's go closer to her.
It's just having nice time there on its own. No, it's okay, Mom. I can see it clearly. I can see it clearly. Wow. Can it go inside or what? It doesn't want to go inside, or is there something wrong with it?
It only has one leg.
No, there's another leg outside here. Don't touch it, leave it.
It's pulling out its feathers.
Hmm?
It's pulling out its feathers.
Is the other leg have a problem or what? Because it's lifting it up like that and fold it.
I think he will fall. I think he will fall.
Claire, move.
It's shot. The other
No,
leg.
it has put it down. It's just relaxing. This one. Wow. 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 I think it's tired inside the water, so it's just want to relax outside.
He's big to me.
Hmm?
He's big to me.
It has a big tummy. Oh. Wow. I've never get closer to a dog like this one. Because when you go, they always run away. But this one, look at it. Claire, leave it. Leave it. Wow. Hmm. Get inside the water now. You don't want to go and swim. Or are you tired of swimming? Dog. Dog. Are you tired of swimming?
I see why you said not to go too close.
Hmm.
Did you see the poo?
Yeah, it poo. It just poo. Baby, move. I don't want to